Hello. My name is Kevin Nasto, and I'm going to be doing a lightning talk here on how to install Anaconda. We'll see how that goes. I have been a Python user for 5 years, and last year I've been learning about data science. And one of the things about Python and data science is that it's kind of a pain to install some of these packages. They require C extensions, and you can get into problems like this, like import sklearn, and then you get DLL load failed. I don't even know how to deal with that. I spent like in a hackathon like 3 hours, and I was trying to figure this out and just to install just a package. So it's annoying. So this is where Anaconda comes in, and what it is it's a third-party Python distribution and package manager, and it will install the packages for you, so you don't have to worry about it. So it includes a C compiler and installs locally. And the good thing about that is that if you need admin privileges and you can't get through it, you can bypass security. I got yelled at for doing that. I wouldn't recommend it, but you can't. Sometimes depending on the system, you can get around restrictions. So yeah, you can. A lot of packages you can install are, pandas, sklearn, TensorFlow, just like there's thousands of packages. So there's Anaconda and Miniconda. And then there's Conda too. So Conda is the package manager, and it's used by both. And then Anaconda just includes everything in there, and it's 5 gigabytes. Miniconda is just a minimal installation of Anaconda. So first step, download Anaconda. Second step, install. Third step, activate the virtual environment, and then install the package that you're interested in with Conda install. So we're going to go through the Ubuntu installation first, which should be similar to Mac, and we're going to do Miniconda first. So just type it in Google and find the 64-bit version, most things are 64-bit. It's like 30 megabytes or something like that. Bash, and then scroll through everything real quickly. Just go to the defaults. This actually usually takes like 10 minutes, but I kind of just cheated there and fast forwarded. And you gotta go through into the virtual environment, activate it with source, and there you go. Now you can install TensorFlow or whatever you want to install, and this usually takes like 10 minutes too, but I'm gonna skip ahead here. It's a video, so it's easy to do that. Fortunately, not in real life. So yeah, now you check it out, and okay, there it is. And just import, make sure it works. And there you go, it's installed. And you can do this similar steps on a Mac as well. So when you activate the virtual environment, you want to do in Windows scripts /activate. And then for Linux, it's going to be source bin /activate, so the directories are slightly different there. Now, it is recommended to actually create your own environment based on the base environment instead of just using the same one. That's just a recommendation, though. If you're in a hurry, then you can just go ahead and use the base. So yeah, we're going to do Anaconda this time instead of Miniconda. And and Windows. This is Windows here. And so go through the exe file, wait for that to finish. It's 600 megabytes. It's Anaconda. It includes like 5,000 different Python packages, so it's going to take a while. Open up the installer. This actually also takes, just go through the defaults, and then this is going to take also like half an hour because it's like 5 gigabytes of stuff. But I just fast forwarded through it. can't do that in real life. But all right, so yeah, just follow the installer, and you want to go to the Start menu and find the Anaconda prompt, which will automatically activate the virtual environment for you. You don't have to find the path yourself. So yeah, and now what you can do is just import the packages that you want to do, and they're already included because this is Anaconda, not Miniconda. Sometimes some things will be missing, but mostly it's going to be there. Wait, hold on a second. I think I skipped the Q&A slide, but anybody have any questions? All right, right there.
I don't know Anaconda very well. So, what's the point of creating a virtual environment? Why can't you just click already just kind of download it?
Yeah, so I mean, it comes with a virtual environment already, but you're supposed to make a new one. I'm sorry, the question was, what's the point of making the virtual environment? So it already comes with one, but what you can do is you can make a new one, and that will make it so that when you install a bunch of packages, you don't affect the main one. So if you have some kind of weird, you have like 100 packages on one virtual environment, maybe for another application you just need like 3 packages, so this way they're separate and the packages you have for each applications are distinct. So, second question there?
Yeah, does the package manager conflict with, let's say, Brew or Mac?
It's like a separate, the question was, does it conflict with a Brew for Mac? And the answer to that question is that it's a completely separate installation, so it has no relationship. So it's inside a folder on your user. So if you install something on Mac, it's going to be using your Mac stuff. But then if you install Anaconda, it's going to be in a separate folder. And then in order to use that, you have to actually activate the virtual environment. It's not going to put anything by default. So if you type in Python, it's you have to activate it first before you can use it. And that's my time. So thank you very much.